Welcome to Bill's Bridge Corner, Tuesday, December 17th, 2013. Class 55, the Suit Preference Signal, Part 2. Yesterday we began covering the suit preference signal, and we covered two cases in which a suit preference signal exists. Today we're going to cover some additional examples. Some are very similar to the last ones that we've seen. Here we go. Telling partner what to return, remember. Case 3. When you know partner will win the trick and will want to know what to return, it's time to give a suit preference signal. Partner should be able to tell that a switch is in order. In the following hand, you are west. How do you play? This is your hand. Here is the bidding. It goes 1 heart by south, 2 hearts by north, 4 hearts by south. All pass. You're on lead. You lead the king of spades. Down comes dummy. Dummy plays the 4. East plays the 9. Declare plays the 3. Well, looks to me like the 9 is encouraging. So you lead the queen of spades. And it goes 7, 2, 6. Your partner has echoed in spades. What do you play at trick 3? Well, you want to lead a spade, but let's lead the 10 of spades. It's a suit preference signal. It's a high spade. Partner roughs and returns a diamond. That's what you asked for with your 10 of spades. Let's look at the hand in a little more detail. There's the hand, there's the bidding. Declarer holds this hand, and he has a choice to make. He can actually make the hand if he plays for a 3-3 club split by going up with the ace of diamonds. That's only a 35+% chance. Or he can take the finesse, which is a 50% chance. Without the diamond switch, Declare keeps both options open. He can test the clubs, and if that fails, he can try the diamond finesse. But in this case, since your partner switched to a diamond, Declare has to make a choice, and in this case the percentage choice will fail for him, and he goes down. It's always best to give your opponent opportunity to make mistakes, and this is a good case in point. Let's look at another example. This time you are east. This is your hand, and the bidding has gone 2 spades by south. Your partner throws in a bid of 3 clubs. North bids 3 spades, and everyone passes. Your partner's on lead, and he leads the ace of clubs. Down comes dummy. Let's analyze the situation and see where we're going. They got a lot of spades between them because south opened with 2 spades. At best, partner has 2 spades. You have none. Where are your tricks going to come from to set this contract? Well, as we're thinking about that, we got to play to trick 1. You discourage. You play the 4 of clubs, and Declare plays the 7. Trick 2, West leads the king of clubs. What is your play this time? The 9 of clubs, of course. It's a suit preference signal. You want partner to lead a heart. Note, a club continuation can't be right. So there's no sense, because dummy is out of clubs. You don't want to continue clubs. There's no sense in giving a count signal. Therefore, give a suit preference signal. 9 of clubs. A high card. showing partner to lead the high-ranking suit. In this case, it's hearts. Trick 3, partner continues with the king of hearts, which you encourage, of course, and then another heart to the ace. It's important for you at this point to lead a third heart. Why? So partner can ruff the third heart, eliminating the queen of hearts as a potential diamond discard. Partner eventually is going to win the king of diamonds and declarer goes down. But if you didn't continue with the third heart, the queen of hearts would be a resting place for a diamond to discard from declarer's hand. Declarer's hand, by the way, is as follows. If you don't lead the third heart, he's going to get over that. He's going to pull trump. The queen of hearts is used to pitch the jack of diamonds, and he makes the contract. Good defense. This is your partner's hand, by the way. Suit preference signal and declarer. This is an interesting situation. It's kind of a cat and mouse game. Declarer is watching your signals. He, too, is paying attention to your signals. And partner can mislead, he can false card. So can you. The danger is it may risk the partnership security and trust. But sometimes you want to mislead the declarer purposely. If the defender's false card, the partnership trust can be at risk. But with a wink and a nod, hug and make friends, next hand. There are times when you may want to mislead the declarer. Hopefully those are times when it won't matter for your partner. Your partner may or may not be misled, but it won't cost you anything. Let's look at an example. On the next hand, I'm going to put you in as the declarer and observe what happens. I am declarer and I am watching the defender's signaling. I'm on the flip side of the suit preference signal. I am south, there is my hand, and here goes the bidding. 2 no trump, pass. 3 diamonds, transfer to hearts. I bid hearts. North now bids 3 no trump. And I don't really like 3 no trump. I have 3 hearts, 3 good hearts, so I'm going to go back to 4 hearts. And I'll pass. So we're in 4 hearts. With the weak diamonds and 3 good hearts, I choose the hearts instead of 3 no trump. And it turns out that's a good choice. West leads the 10 of diamonds, and East cashes 2 tricks. There is the dummy. At trick 3, West leads the 6 of clubs. Cat and mouse. Let's look at this hand as declarer. At this point, you've lost 3 tricks. You've lost 2 diamonds and the ace of trump. You have 9 tricks. And now when they return a diamond instead of something else, how do you proceed? You have a choice. Let's look at it. You have 9 tricks. 1 spade, 4 hearts, you're going to lose it. You've lost the ace of hearts. And 4 clubs. You have 3 top losers, 2 diamonds and the ace of hearts. You've lost all 3 of them. Your 10th trick could come from a successful spade finesse. But now, with the diamond lead, there's an alternative play. Do you see it? What you could do as an alternative to taking the spade finesse is pitch a spade on this diamond lead, roughing in hand. And if trump behave, 3-2, you can pitch a second spade on the 4th club and then rough a spade in dummy and claim. However, the heart suit may not behave. The odds are like 68% or so that it'll split 3-2, but if they don't, you're going to end up losing 2 heart tricks. So what is the better opportunity? Are you going to take the spade finesse, or are you going to play for the 3-2 trump split, given the opportunity? Well, have you been watching the opponents play? Let's say that West, your left-hand opponent, is an experienced player. Did he give a suit preference signal at trick 2, like dropping a high diamond and 9 of diamonds to suggest a spade shift? If he didn't, and he didn't, you would probably place the king of spades with East. If that's the case, you want to rough on the board, cash 2 top hearts, return to dummy with a club, pull trump, and take the spade finesse, if the finesse is on. On the other hand, if you're wrong, you have the other alternative. The odds would be to play for the 3-2 trump split. Pay attention to the opponents. Well, tomorrow we're going to continue this subject. Suit preference signals part 3 in class 56. See you tomorrow.